Let's replace the battery on a MacBook Pro 15-inch Touch Bar from late 2016, safely and step by step. Tools shown: pentalobe driver, Torx T5 and T3, plastic spudger, picks, and an anti-static wrist strap. Shut down the MacBook, unplug all cables, and put on an anti-static wrist strap before proceeding. Remove the 10 bottom pentalobe screws and keep them organized. Pentalobe torque value is 0.8 Nm. Gently pry the lower case using a plastic pick, easing from the hinge toward the front to avoid clips snapping. Locate and disconnect the battery connector now to isolate power before touching internal parts. Remove the small bracket screws that secure the battery connector using a Torx T3 driver and label parts. Heat the rear case lightly if adhesive is stiff, then use a plastic spudger to lift the adhesive tabs slowly. Lift each battery cell carefully, one at a time, avoiding puncture or bending of the battery pack. Place the replacement battery, align the connector, and press gently to seat the adhesive strips. Reconnect the battery, reinstall the connector bracket, and power on briefly to confirm the system recognizes the new battery. Reinstall the lower case and all screws using correct torque values. Final power test complete. Disposal instructions for old battery shown on screen.